Welcome to the Cal Poly Humboldt Flight Simulator. Today we'll be showing you how to turn on the flight simulator. Start by checking out the key fob from the front desk, which you'll use to power the simulator on and off. Students, staff, faculty, and community members are all welcome to check out this key. Next, we'll make sure that the controls are set correctly. To access the inside of the simulator, pull the pilot's chair all the way out, sit down, and use the bar at your feet to slide the pilot's chair in. On the left side of the cockpit, set the master and avionics switches to on, pull the parking brake out, and set magnetos to both. Next, pull the throttle all the way out, push the mixture and propeller all the way in, and move the flaps switch all the way up. Now, we are ready to turn the simulator on. Start by pressing the on button on the key fob. After about 10 seconds, all the screens should be on and the two blue screens should say no sync. Next, turn on the three computers from top to bottom. Wait until the runway is visible on the screens. From the main computer, double-click the application with a large X to start up the program. Make sure that there is no one inside the simulator. The simulator will go through a 30-second startup process. Wait for the pop-up on the computer screen and then click I understand. The simulator is ready to enter. Slide the pilot's seat forward until your feet can reach the rudder pedals. If you hear an alarm, set the Emergency Location Transmitter, or ELT, switch to arm. If any of the breakers under the yoke are popped out and brighter, push them in to reset. Finally, press the rightmost arrow button on the right console to activate the GPS. You are now ready to fly. Be sure to watch the power off video after you are done flying. Thank you for training on the Cal Poly Humboldt Flight Simulator. If you would like more information, please email aviation@humboldt.edu.